Welcome back, everybody. We are going to be swatching another Beetles kit. This one is called the Schools in Session Gel Nail Polish Set for spring and summer. And you already know the drill. When I'm doing swatches, we're looking at overall consistency of the polish. Is it too thick, too thin? We're looking at coverage. And normally I'd be looking to see whether or not hands and feet match, but Beetles gel polish is only gel polish, so we're going to skip that one. So we're going to start off with the first colors. Always, they do not have names. They are numbered. This is 723, and these are the half-size bottles, not the mini bottles. So they're about half the size of your full-size polish. Here we go, a nice purple. This is a really nice purple. It's almost like a very vibrant, intense pastel. I can see how you can use it for spring, but you can also do some cute stuff with this color for summer. As always, look at that coverage just on the first coat. All right, let's finish this one up. And here we have it done, 2 coats, beautiful coverage. I don't think I've ever come across a Beetles color that requires more than 2 coats. That's a super, super pretty, soft but vibrant purple. Let's check out the next one. All right, next one we're gonna do is number 724. And this one, ooh, it's a very nice, intense blue. This is definitely a good summer color. I've been seeing a lot of blues lately. Looking like it's a trend for this summer. Man, it's so satisfying to see so much coverage on one coat. Like, you guys see that, right? That is one coat, and it goes on so smoothly and easily. It's almost like it self-levels. I love Beetles. All right, let's check this one out, Dan. And here we go, 2 coats. Coverage to perfection. Beautiful, beautiful color. Really, really pretty. Love it. All right, let's check out the next one. Next up, we are going to be trying number 719. Let's see what's in this one. Ooh, is this white? Oh no, this is like a super pale blue. I love these whitish tones. I guess I call them like chalky colors. Very pasty, very whitish, but you still have that little bit of color tint in them. Look at that, one coverage, guys, one coverage. That blows my mind. It's so good. This is a really pretty color. See if you get the color. Yeah, that's cute. All right, let's finish this one up. And here we have 2 coats, beautiful coverage, beautiful color. Super, super cute for summer, but definitely a spring color as well. All of those soft pastel whitish tones are super cute for spring and summer. Beautiful. Let's check out the next one. All right, next up we have number 721. Ooh. That is a bright Barbie pink. This one actually kind of reminds me of OPI's Kiss Me, I'm Brazilian, but much brighter. This is definitely a Barbie pink. Beautiful, beautiful. Great coverage, great consistency. Let's see this one with 2 coats. And here you have it, 2 coats, a beautiful, beautiful, bright Barbie pink. Super cute. Not too hot and eccentric, but definitely a nice bright tone. I love that. All right, let's check out the next one. Next up, we have number 720, and this one, ooh, that one's like a peachy orange color. Oh, this one's really cute. Look at that. This one is cute. I feel like I have a couple clients that will definitely like this one. One coverage gets me every time. Beautiful. Let's check out this one done. And here we go, 2 coats, beautiful coverage, beautiful consistency, and a lovely, lovely color. This is super cute. I love it. It's like a pale orange with just a little touch of pink. I love it. Cutie. All right, let's check out our last one. Next we have number 722. This is the last color. There you go. Nice, vibrant yellow. It's so hard to get yellows that have good coverage. Usually most of the yellows I have require 2 coats, and a lot of the yellows I have definitely require me to apply very, very thin coats, because then it gets all wrinkly, it doesn't cure properly. It could be a pain in the butt. I haven't had those issues with Beetles. Let me put my hand underneath. Look at that coverage on this yellow first coat. It is beautiful. This one's like just such a good, it's like a tone down from like regular Chiquita banana yellow. It's a little bit more pale, a little bit more chalky, I guess you could say. I feel like in the light it looks a little bit more bright than it actually is, but super cute color. Let's finish this one up. And here we go, 2 coats, per usual. Beautiful coverage, beautiful consistency, super lovely, vibrant color. And for this kit, what's really cool is that they send you these little stickers so that you can actually dapple your gel polish on here, cure it with some top coat, and then you can go ahead and stick it to the top of the bottle. Since they don't have any color indication, it's a black bottle. That's really, really awesome, so that you don't have to open the bottle to see what color it is or have to track it by the number unless you do swatches, which I recommend because it's super helpful for your clients. But let me just show you how this is done real quick. We get gel polish. You can just put a little bit or you can try to fill in a good amount. I'm gonna go ahead and just give it a nice little go. And there you go. You just put your little dopple, you cure this, and then you put a top coat. Let me finish it up so you can see how it is when it's done. So here we are, all of the colors. I have them all cured. They're nice and shiny. You can even do half matte on that too, so that way people can see when it's matte. And then all you're gonna do is lift off. Let me make sure that's a pink one. Yep. Close that so I don't spill, make a mess. And there you go. And look at that, here you go. All the colors are swatched for reference on the bottles. I really love that they do this. It's just, you know, really helpful, really considerate for us, trying to make it a little bit easier when we want to grab a color and not have to open them. I personally do not like people opening up all my bottles because they start making a mess, which is why I swatch them all. But there you go. So here's a quick overview. Here are all the colors. I love this collection. I love that it's not your typical summer colors. They're a little bit toned down, but still super vibrant. They look really, really pretty, but we're not done because I need to show you what these look like in matte. So one moment, please. All right, so here we have the lovely colors in shiny, and let's reveal the matte. Ooh, look at that. Gosh, man, that gets me every time. Who else loves being able to see both? We got glossy, we got matte. I mean, if we're gonna be swatching, we need to know. Look how cute these colors look in matte. I absolutely love them. I love soft, bright tones in matte. So there you go. Whether you have them shiny or matte, super, super cute colors for the summer, and not your usual neon colors. Although, you can never have enough neon. Beautiful. All right, everyone. So once again, this is the Schools in Session Beetles Gel Polish Kit for spring and summer. It is $9.99 on Amazon. You can also go to Beetles.com to purchase, and if you do, use my code OhMyJelly, you can save yourself a couple extra bucks. I'll make sure that the link below for Amazon is on here, and as well as the Beetles website. So that is all for today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Lovely, lovely spring and summer set we have here. Hope you guys enjoyed the swatches, and as always, make sure that you're subscribed, notifications on, because no one is reviewing and swatching and getting your nails on point like Oh My Gel is. Bye, everyone.